Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope so you all are doing great. So as you can see outside is very heavy raining. Sometime it's become light. So since I need to go out to buy some vegetables but I can't go. So I had to wait. Then I thought make a tea. Then we will go. So I ate some toast with the tea. These days it's very important to carry an umbrella. Finally, I have reached veg market with the children by my Activa. It's nearby my home. As you can see, there are so many varieties of fresh vegetable here. Everything looks fresh and colorful. I bought this kind of vegetable. Not too much, I didn't buy vegetables. Actually, I went there to buy ginger garlic because my ginger garlic paste was finished. Now I will clean everything, cut and store them in a fridge. If you like this kind of vlog, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.